All right, so special thanks to this company for sending us their dash cam. Enjoy your smart driving. This is the model M550 dash cam from AZDOME. That's the bottom, top, nothing on the back or sides. So let's open this on up, see what's really in here for this unboxing. Alright, nice box, I can say. Slide the top off. Wow, look at that. That's a instruction book. Yes, wow. Alright, so everything you should need to know about this dash cam. There's even an app, shows you everything you'll need to do with photos and all of that. Got some double-sided sticky tape. This is part of the mounting process, which would go onto here, and then basically the dash cam just slides onto here. And then what all do we have in here? We have the cigarette lighter for powering the device. It even has a USB-A port, so when you're taking up your cigarette lighter, you'd still be able to plug in your phone to charge it. And this cable looks to be pretty long. Should be more than enough to reach from your cigarette lighter to where you would mount this dash cam. Then we've also got, this is the rear one. So, and even some double-sided tape and screws for this. So you could mount this on the inside or the outside of your car. And yeah, nice long cable to reach all the way to the back. So this way you can get what's going on behind you, and you can also get what's going on in front of you. Then some tools and clips for the cables. Same here, some double-sided tape, cleaning cloths, screws, and a screwdriver. All just things needed to help set up the item. And then lastly, that's it for the box, is the actual webcam. Wow, look at that. Oh, so there's two of these. That's nice to include. Open and close. There's where your cable plugs in. Very nice. Wow. So there's your camera right on the front. We've got a few buttons down here. Everything power up / mute lock, record confirm, down / shift mode, and the menu button. And it looks like it actually comes with a 64 gig included micro SD card. Can't beat that. There's where you plug in the other camera. So very nice. So up here is where you plug in the power right here, and then this is where you can plug in the rear camera. This is a really nice webcam, very well thought out. Absolutely love the look of everything, even branded bags. That's always good to see. 2 big thumbs up on this item, and a great item to have if you're in need of a dash cam. Front and back, you would be completely covered, and it includes a 64 gig SD card, which means that's one less thing you got to deal with. So that should do it for this AZDOME dash cam. Thanks again to them for sending it to us. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.